In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Notion Premium. Whether you're looking to elevate your productivity, organize your projects more effectively, or simply explore the enhanced features that come with a paid plan, upgrading to Notion Premium can make a significant difference. So, let's dive right in and take you through the steps to upgrade your Notion experience seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by signing in to your Notion account. It's crucial that you're signed in, as this will give you access to all the necessary options to make changes to your account. So, fire up your preferred web browser, type in the Notion website address, and log into your account using your credentials. If you're someone who has multiple accounts, ensure you are signing into the one you wish to upgrade. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll notice an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new screen, which contains various options related to your account preferences, settings, and more. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option that either says Plans or Upgrade Plan. Depending on if you're viewing a personal or business account, the option might be labeled slightly differently. Click on this option, and you'll be taken to the list of available plans that Notion offers. At this point, you'll see different options depending on your needs. You'll likely want to choose the Plus plan, but there are also other paid options like Business if that better suits your workload or team size. Take a moment to review the features of each plan and select the one that aligns best with your needs for collaboration, enhanced features, or team management. Once you've made your selection, it's time to enter your payment information. This step is crucial for making the purchase and ensuring your subscription is activated without a hitch. You'll need to carefully input your billing details, ensuring that every piece of information is accurate to avoid any potential issues. After entering all the required billing information, go ahead and confirm your subscription. By confirming, you're not only purchasing a subscription, but unlocking the enhanced suite of tools that comes with Notion Premium. These can significantly stretch your capabilities in using Notion for expansive projects, detailed reports, or collaborative team tasks. And that's it. You are now officially a Notion Premium user. With these added features at your disposal, you can expect to organize your notes and projects in a more streamlined and effective manner. Remember to explore and get the most out of your premium plan to truly maximize your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.